Welcome and thank you for taking part in Animal Test 142. You will be shown 9 different animals on the next screen. Please select your favorite animal from the 9 options. Okay, that's good.
Will you pick the kitten?
Will you pick the ladybug? Will you pick the ladybug?
Will you pick the platypus?
Will you pick the rabbit? Will you pick the rabbit? Will you pick the rabbit?
Will you pick the ferret?
How about a tortoise? How about a tortoise?
What about the shark?
What about the penguin? What about the penguin? What about the penguin? The dog.
You do it.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Here.
The puppin.
When a truck was coming and boom, she got hit. The driver was so scared that he picked up the body and threw her in an alley. About 15 minutes later, 2 hobos named Bo and Zoe came across the body.
Like that, back in 1985, with the penis in January, it was ready to go, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So she was barely alive, but before she died, she pointed to her baby and said, "Take care of the little one." Then she died. So they walked over to the baby still lying on the cold and wet street. Well, first things first, we will have to bury her. So they did. Well, what should we call it, said Bo. We don't know if it is a girl or a boy, said Zoe. So he pulled down the baby's pants. It's a boy.